rolling down the street. Mira, hay que sacarla más, güey.
Dirty as fuck.
Tiene como 2-3 pulgadas de pura tierra, pero esto looks good rolling down the street. Would you guys take more content on the Ram? Díganle. They're gonna bring it out.
Well, yeah, I already got the inspection. I have to get the bag.
You got tired of riding dirty for what, 2 years?
2 years, but fuck it. I still rode dirty for 2 years.
So clear.
Did you get off of work?
Nah, earlier.
I don't think I've seen Jonathan without a hat, bro.
Slick back. I'm trying a new look.
The new wheels you got?
Yeah.
They look good.
22s, but I keep it clean.
Cálmate, güey. No, they look good. Better than what it was. The new hauler. Ya se puso a descansar la otra, la LBZ.
For now, it's a backup.
Backup for sale,
Yeah,
still no?
Maybe.
Maybe. If you guys
Still
are
thinking
interested.
about it.
If you guys are interested, let them know. Got a concepts. De repente se vende. Cleaning shop or what?
Nah, yeah, we're working on a few trucks.
What are you drinking? ¿Qué onda, Connie?
¿Qué onda, carnal?
¿Qué ha habido? ¿Cómo andamos?
Más bien, bien.
Tenemos la azul, güey.
Nosotros le empezamos.
Un 6-0, 480. ¿Sabes, güey?
6-0. La terrena no le va a quedar, la
No te creas, güey. Alright, guys, so we gotta put it in there de reversa para que haga más luz. So we're gonna be moving the trucks around and flipping that truck over. Oye. Sounds good. Sounds good. I ain't gonna lie, guys. These trucks are comfortable as hell. Comfortable as hell. There it is, guys. Bunny's about to go get some parts that he needs so he can start taking out the motor or the cam. He was planning on taking out the motor, right? Since we don't have an engine hoist, or he doesn't have an engine hoist, he's just gonna do the cam swap on here, change the springs on the head, bring the transmission down, and change the stall. He's gonna go get some things he needs. He says he wants to go get some covers so he can cover up the fenders because he doesn't want to scratch it up. And then we'll be back later, no? A little later, see what's up. And if not, probably worst case scenario, tomorrow morning, it'll be done. Y'all stay tuned so y'all can hear this truck chop. Quita el cam, quita el cam. Oh. Well, guys, here is the stall. Look. Real quick, this is a stall, 3200 stall. That's the one we're gonna be putting on. So I know some of you guys are gonna be asking what kind of stall it is. Well, there it is right there, and then the cam is right here. Texas Speed cam. You know what we need to get? We need to get this cover, right?
The plastic cover.
The plastic cover, yeah. But here's a cam, guys. Texas Speed cam.
Same one TKO G1 had.
Damn, this is a Mad Max cam.
The same one the TKO G1 had?
TKO G1 had a 228. This one, I don't know. It just says Mad Max on it. Alright, guys, here is the specs on this one right here. 228, 232. Well, it's a 110 low separation, so it's gonna chop nasty. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but it should be a 228, 232 with a 550, 550 lift. There's the specs right there, but that's not the one we had on TKO G1, so probably it's gonna chop a little bit more. Actually, yeah, because I think the other one was a 112. This is a 110, so it's gonna sound nasty, guys. Y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's a badass fucking name, bro. Mad Max, that's the name of it. And those are the specs. So if you guys like the way it sounds at the end of this video, these are the specs on the cam. You guys can get it. It's a Texas Speed cam for a 5.3. Can't wait to see how that sounds. Hit up Aces, get an exhaust. I don't know, maybe we should go with the Corsa again like last time. Maybe go back with the Corsa exhaust. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking us in the comment section on that video what kind of Corsa exhaust it is. It is a special edition one that Aces has, only he has. If you guys are interested, maybe he can ship it out if you guys want to buy one. Either we'll go back with the Corsa or we'll go with something a little bit quieter like a MagnaFlow or a Borla. We'll test it out, see what's up. Guys, yes, saben, aquí Jonathan with Psychotic Concept taking care of the truck. Bunny's actually coming over. He's the one that did the cam swap and the install on TKOG1, but that was at your old shop. Now we're here at Jonathan's new shop, and Bunny's coming back and doing the work here again. You guys stay tuned because they got something planned in the works for future motor work.
Working on it. We're
Working on it. In the works, guys. So if you guys are interested in suspension work and motor work, it'll probably be done all in-house pretty soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you follow Jonathan on his Instagram. Oh, and guys, también pretty soon there's gonna be some Troqueando merch here available with Jonathan. If you guys want to pick up locally, Channel Texas. So if you guys want to pick up some merch, some shirts and stuff like that, entries will also be valid. So you'll get your entries when you come get your merch with Jonathan as well. That's in the work as well. So y'all guys stay tuned. He'll be posting up on his Instagram once all that is said and done. Casi no me puedo reversear, güey.
It's like a 18-wheeler trying to reverse.
Bro, the freaking entrance is narrow as hell.
Narrow.
I was trying to back up that trailer and I couldn't.
Leave it on? The battery or?
Nah, I think it should be fine. Try to turn it on. Yeah, it should be fine. Yeah. We had little issues with the battery this morning, guys. Amaneció fresco and the truck amaneció muerta también. So that's fine. We hadn't moved it in like what, a week?
Yeah, in a week.
Yeah, so a week, not moving in a week, and then the cold front coming up, the battery died. So it's all good. We're gonna be replacing it and make sure it's a brand new one, so the winter doesn't have any issues with it.
It needs a new battery?
Yeah, probably.
Mine's been sitting there for 3 months and it turned on fine.
Hey, you know what? Yeah, bro. You're right. Your truck's been sitting there for 3 months and it cranks right up. Yeah, we're just gonna replace the battery on. Yeah, guys. Currently the next day, we're back at Psychotic Concepts. Ya quedó la clone with the new cam and the stall. A ver cómo se escucha. Mira nomás. Damn, bro, the sun's hitting it just right. All right.
Yeah.
Looking good. It's looking really good. Chévere, porque me dio frío. Ya me dio frío. Guys, top the hoodies. GMC gang. Está al revés. GMC hoodie right here. Cop it. Available at Troqueando.com.
Y el Jonathan. Dang, he actually washed the truck. You should just came over here to wash them.
I know. Yo. Más negra no se puede, ¿verdad?
Right.
Okay.
I hate washing trucks.
You hate washing trucks and you got concrete, bro. We're over there washing it on gravel.
I wouldn't even wash it. Y luego nomás la uso una vez y la parqueo ahí abajo del árbol y queda igual.
¿Te la lleves, güey?
Pegada, güey.
A ver, vamos a ver.
It has a catch, right?
It still has a catch, yeah. Hey, but it sounds good. That chop sounds good. Damn, it's fucking quiet. Damn it, boy. Sounds good. Once we get the exhaust on there, the cat's off, and we get it tuned so it idles perfectly, we're gonna be able to hear that chop. Hace cuenta que nada pasó. Hell yeah. Shout out to Bunny again for doing a fast turnaround on the cam install on this one. Again, we did the cam, the Mad Max cam we just showed you, the dual springs, and then the 3200 FTI stall. It's gonna sound good once we get it tuned and once we take out those cats. Pero no que le faltaba. Sí, güey, ¿qué pinche hombro estás usando?
I don't know, güey. That's all I had.
What the fuck is that? Soap?
That shit you know, I've been having it for like 5 years.
It's Victor's.
It's
Victor's?
Yeah, with a spray bottle.
Who's Victor? I have no idea.
Hey, wait, we're gonna be coming out with our own line of Umrah and soap and shit.
For real?
Yeah. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna be dropping some detailing products pretty soon. Pa que no anden batallando como aquí como el camarada Jonathan using some I think this is Windex, ¿no?
Es Windex mixteado con Ajax.
A la chingada. Ajax. Damn, bro.
Y de poca.
But I load up the SS clone and we're gonna be heading over to the takeover event that my boy DJ Paul and SRT Trucking are putting together in Cleveland, Texas. So you guys can check them out. Hopefully some of you guys are out there. Y'all get to check them out in person. So let's head out. Let's go.